Hey, what's going on guys? In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing, setup, and review of this TXG tripod stand that I got on Amazon for less than $15. And Amazon's packaging was pretty sturdy, so shout out to that. And in the box, we find a pretty simple packaging with our tripod, Bluetooth remote, and phone accessory stand, as well as an instruction manual that we'll get to a little later. The screw on the tripod is really sturdy, but you still have lots of accessibility in terms of moving the camera, like you can see in this clip. And you can also adjust the tension of the tripod stand screw by adjusting this knob on the side of the tripod, just like so. So now we can screw on the phone accessory stand. So once that's screwed on, we'll turn on Bluetooth on our phone and turn on the Bluetooth remote as well. I'll just pop that knob right up. And as you can see, it automatically connects in less than 5 seconds. That's pretty impressive. So on your phone, you'll see it's connected as an input device with the AB Shutter 3 name. So now we can pop the phone onto the tripod, pretty sturdy and seamless as well. So now that we've covered the unboxing and setup process, let's review this product that I'm really liking so far. It offers a wide range of capturing setups, and in this clip, we have it standing up on its 3 legs. It has a really sturdy input and the camera is nice and steady. This is a great option for shooting landscape videos or vlogs. I also really enjoy the fact you can hold it in your hands for selfie videos. And yup, I'm shooting on a phone. Stay tuned for a future video to learn how to make amazing phone video footage as well as cool editing and transitions, like the ones you're seeing right now. Now, this option is really nice as well. It allows you to have the octopus legs sitting down, pointing upwards. It's another great option if you'd like to shoot landscape videos while talking to the camera at a lower angle. Stay tuned for a future video on these LED strips, and different ones I'll compare and review, but nonetheless you can see that this tripod offers very sturdy and flexible mounting angles. I really enjoy it. Now it's time for the Bluetooth remote. And whoops, yeah, you spotted that Techrific merch. Feel free to go to show your support at techrific.company.site. Link is in the description. Once it's connected via Bluetooth to your phone, you can simply click on one of the 2 buttons, and voila, your phone has taken a picture without you even holding it. This Bluetooth remote option is a really nice one if you're taking a wide-angle selfie video with lots of people in it. So my final thoughts, is this one of the best budget tripod stands on Amazon? 100%. For less than $15, you have a Bluetooth remote, tripod screw for a camera or a phone. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be linking the link on which you can purchase this item in the description box below. And please make sure to share this video with whomever may find it helpful so that they too can be subscribed with notifications on to never miss another upload. Anyways, that's Alex from Techrific signing off. See you next time.